Good morning, students. Welcome back to our channel. Yes, in our previous class we have discussed about the journey of the Ustad Bismillah Khan, right? So let's continue the remaining part today. Okay, let's begin. In 2001, Ustad Bismillah Khan was awarded India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. Yes, in the year of 2001, what had happened? Bismillah Khan got India's highest civilian award, that is the Bharat Ratna prize, right? With the coveted award resting on his chest and his eyes glinting with rare happiness, he said, "All I would like to say is, teach your children music. This is Hindustan's richest tradition. Even the West is now coming to learn our music." So, coveted means the most desired one, wanted one. He wanted to get that prize. After getting that, when that prize came on his chest, yes, on that time his eyes were glinting. That happiness was reflecting. Glint means what? Reflect. Yes, it was reflecting, and on that time he just said one line, one statement, that is, all I would like to say, what I wanted to say you is, teach your children to the children music, that is Hindustani music, that is the richest music in the world, that is our tradition, and even Western people also coming to learn our music. Yes, then in spite of having traveled all over the world, Khan Saab, as he fondly called, is exceedingly fond of Banaras and Dumraon, and they remain for him most wonderful towns of the world. So he has visited lot of countries, more countries. He has given his concert in many countries, but exceedingly more fond of, he was very much interested, liked, attractive, fascinated by only two places. First one is Banaras, next one is Dumraon. Yes, they remained the wonderful place of the world to him, right? Then a student of his once wanted to head a Shehnai school in USA. So one of his students, one of his students, what he wanted to do, he wanted to head, means start the school in USA. Which school? Shehnai school in the USA. And the student promised to recreate the atmosphere of Banaras by replicating the temples there. Yes, replicate means recreate, regenerate, produce. So one of his students, what he said, he wanted to start the Shehnai school in the USA. For that he said, no, I am promising you to whatever kind of environment you had in the Banaras, I am going to create the same one. I am going to replicate the same temples also, he said. For that, but Khan Sahib asked him if he would be able to transport river Ganga as well. Later he is remembered to have said, that is why whenever I am going to foreign country, I keep hearing to see the Hindustan. So what had happened for him, he just explained how you cannot transport the Ganga river to the USA. Like that it won't happen. And whenever I will be in the foreign country, abroad, I keep hearing means I just feel to longing to go. Yes, keep hearing to see the Hindustan, right? While in Mumbai, I think of only Banaras and the holy Ganga. And while in Banaras, I miss unique Mata of Dumraon, right? Then Ustad Bismillah Khan's life is a perfect example of a rich culture heritage of India, one that effortlessly accepts that devote means a perfect man who follows all the rituals. Which rituals? Religious rituals, right? Muslim like him can very naturally play the Shehnai every morning in the Kashi Vishwanatha temple, right? Okay, I hope you all have understood this. If you have any doubt, you can write in the WhatsApp, and I will answer you there. Okay, right? Thank you for watching this video. I just want you to read the whole lesson, and I just sent a question paper, today's question paper, through the WhatsApp. I just want you to answer for that questions also. It's a test. Okay, Yeah, thank you for watching this video.